Ah, il est beau ce Nico, hein. Salut. 701. Derrière on a un petit MT-07. Et après on aura... je sais pas qui y a, de qui il y a pas. Donc on verra bien. Allez-y. Allez-y.
To the topic resolved. I used to sling mixtapes to get my name out in hallways in class. They would always talk shit, but now they all on my ass. I drink lick out the glass, cause I'm meant to be hit. Always confident, there's nothing that I'm mentally fit, except giving into new trends. Never look for new friends, cause I don't wanna ride with some loose ends. I'm barely paying rent, but it don't matter. They tell me bring a plate, but I'ma show up with the bladder. Here's the ladder to success, better grab it before it's too late. I'ma be a multi-million-dollar man while you hate. Don't ask who's great, I'm in your vicinity. Drive is infinity, haven't felt this bar since I lost my virginity. That's the realest comparison. The way these heartless rappers sounded today, embarrassing, yeah. When you're gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. When you're gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. See, I'm a man of spirituality. Way too many find their...
Oh là là, il fait trop froid, il y a beaucoup trop de vent pour rouler, c'est horrible. On va aller vers la Ciotat, ce sera beaucoup mieux. Il a niqué son casque. Ah là là. Oh, il fait froid sa mère. Waouh.
The salaries, this is planet Earth. All you do is work to fatality, there's no second chance. So why the hell you settle for less? I'm up with stress, but all he did was tell me that I'll never be best, so fuck him. I'll show him I'll be ranked in every bracket in my bomber jacket. I seek a goal and I attack it. Where's my packet of notes? I slay quotes like I'm Aristotle. I'm coming through, so prepare to bottle. You need to know that the way that you grow is through persistence. So many try to stop me cause they know I'll go the distance. I don't fall for that crossover. Too many forced to cope like a lost soldier. All you need is hope when your boss goes you, cause they just wanna bring it to the level of lousiness. Falling from drowsiness when I hit the stage, I'm the rowdiest in the building. I stay true to what I'm skilled in. Try to put me down or take me out, but I'll still win. Gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me.
Bon, on va aller boire un coup au bord de mer. On n'a pas pu rouler beaucoup à cause du froid et du vent, c'est horrible. Donc voilà les gars, je tenais à vous dire merci pour les 1400 abonnés, ça fait grave plaisir. Puis voilà, je suis désolé s'il n'y a pas beaucoup de vidéos en ce moment, avec le temps qu'il fait, ça donne, on n'a pas trop envie de rouler et tout, enfin c'est compliqué. Donc soyez patients, on va revenir, ne vous inquiétez pas, on va revenir avec de bonnes grosses balades, avec de nouvelles routes aussi un peu. Donc moi les gars, je vous laisse cette dernière partie de route. Je vous dis à la prochaine. Ciao.
I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. When you're gonna learn that you ain't gonna ever be like me, be like me. I'ma stay true to the roots where I grew. Worry less about me and more about you. Yeah, the 17-year-old version of me would've tried to loop this shit at the end where there's no talking, and then I would've put on my SoundCloud claiming that this beat was fucking my own creation. So before you try to do that whack shit, just remember I fucking am talking over the end, so nobody can do that shit.